What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and I want to tell you about a concept that I call the power of one more. Hey guys, so I'm Ben Nader. If you've been following my content, thank you. If you're brand new to my content, welcome. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Join our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link down in the description. And let's get right into this video. All right guys, so there's a concept that I've been using in my life and especially in my business, which is what I call the power of one more. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Let me dive into some tangible examples of specifically what the power of one more means to me and what it should mean to you. All right, so here's the deal. In life, in business, whatever you're doing, whatever you're going after, right? Whatever your challenge is, whatever you're going through, you need to utilize what I call the power of one more. What does that mean exactly? It means going one more deep, right? It means going an extra mile. It means doing the extra thing that you know you don't want to do right now, but you should do, you must do to actually accomplish what you really want to get. Let me give you a tangible example of this. Let's say that your goal for 2022 is to read a book every single week. Okay, cool, sounds good. So you read 52 books for the year, but let's say you want to get a little bit more educated, right? So you grab Audible, and on top of reading books physically, you start doing audiobooks. And you listen to those on planes, you listen to those in your car, all that kind of stuff. And now you've gotten 80 books in throughout the year. You just went one more. You utilized the power of one more to get another 80 books read for the entire year. So you read 30 more books. That's intense, right? So with that being said, this is the power of going one more. Let's talk about business. The power of one more, going one more, is so important in business because here's why. Anyone, literally anyone, can outdo you if you're not harnessing the power of one more. If you're not putting out that much more content, if you're not producing that much more resources or products or deliverables, services, for people, somebody else is gonna outdo you. I guarantee it. That's how people lose, and this is how people win. Utilizing the power of one more. Going that extra step to do whatever it takes, doing the boring stuff. Like I always say, the winners do the boring stuff. They go one more to get it in and win. Guys, I've been using this concept my entire business life. And every single thing, every success I've ever accomplished has come out of going one more, the power of one more, utilizing that aspect in emails, in my outreach, in my messaging, in my content. I mean, I could go on and everything that I do, it's always the power of one more. I don't love having to do some content here and there consistently all the time, every single day, but guess what? I sit there and snap myself back and say, hey, one more, do it. And I go after it. And I make sure it gets done because I want to deliver value. And even though your mind might tell you, hey, just chill out. You've already done like 10 videos this week. Chill. No, one more. Go for it. Someone else is going to outdo you. Always, always remember that if you're not going to harness the power of one more, somebody else will. And somebody else will take your spot. Somebody else will go after it further than you will. Somebody will go stronger than you will. Somebody's gonna put in one more rep than you did and get that much stronger, that much better, and that much more achieved. They're gonna actually accomplish the goal and you won't. Which person do you wanna be? Do you wanna be the person that went one more and utilized that power that you all have inside of you? Every single one of you has the power of one more. It's whether or not you choose to use it or not. And if you choose to use it, you're absolutely 100% guaranteed gonna come out on top if you always, always, always go one more. But if you don't, somebody else will always outdo you, and that's gonna suck. When you get into this flow, when you start utilizing the power of one more, you'll see things expand around you. Physically, mentally, you'll see things explode when you actually start harnessing this and become consistent at the power of one more. When you do that, you'll just be winning and winning and winning. Guys, I really just made this video because I knew that somebody needed to hear this. Somebody needed to understand they just need to go one more. They need to go deeper, stronger, faster, harder. They need to go after it. They need to outdo everybody else, or everybody else is gonna outdo them. So for that reason, I made this video for you. If you like this, smash that like button. If you also are not subscribed, subscribe to our channel right now. Be sure you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description, and I will see you guys next time.